Hey guys, what's poppin'? It's me, Janaya, and today I will be making slime. This will be a correct way to do slime. This is my second slime that I made, and it was very, very awesome. But today we're gonna make some blue slime. So, sorry it's messy. I just got finished making my second slime, so that's why it's so messy. But let's get started. So, what you will need is a bowl and something to mix with. Second, if this is optional, so if you don't have food coloring and you like, man, I want some color in my slime, take a marker. It'll be a top at the end. You're gonna take the top off. And then you're just gonna take the tube out and then put some drops of the color and then just mix it up and then that'll be your color. But yeah, so what you will need is the glue. It has to be PVA. You can use clear or white, and you can use Tide or Gain. So let's get right into the video. So I'm just gonna take some of my glue. This time, it's going to be a lot of slime. Okay. Well, this is a lot of glue. I have an extra bottle of glue, so I don't have to worry. Sorry about the background. My sister just got in trouble. She always playing around. But yeah. So I'm just gonna take my glue. Here's my glue. Just gonna put some drops. I'm just going to mix it around into my glue. And just keep mixing and mixing. So here's my blue. You might think it's purple because I just made my other one, but it's not. It is like a teal blue. It is so pretty. Okay? I'll show you guys up close. So now after that, you just want to add some of your Tide. You can use Tide or Gain, like I said before. And if you don't use PVA glue, or if you put water in this, it won't work. So yeah. So let's just put some of the Tide in. The key is to put a little at a time until it sticks off of the bowl or whatever you're using. Now when you see it when you the first time when it starts, you don't want to just take it out immediately, because it's gonna take a long time to knead it. So just keep adding and adding the Tide until it sticks off of the bowl. So yeah, I'm gonna keep stirring and stirring. Okay, so it has stick off of the bowl. I'm just going to keep mixing. This is like a lot of this slime. So I'm just going to take it out. And you can see by my hands, it is a lot. So I'm just going to, ooh, it's cold. But like I said, this is how it looks. I'm just going to keep trying to knead it. Now, since this is a lot, and it's gonna be probably take forever. So I'm just gonna take I'm gonna put some of my Tide in its container thingy. Well, I'm actually just gonna put the slime in the top of the Tide, and I'm gonna put some of the Tide in and just mix it around. Oops. And I'm gonna take the slime out, and then just gonna mix it. This will keep it, and this will not be sticky. So yeah. I'm just gonna keep mixing and mixing until it's ready. So you can just see me mixing it and mixing it. Now I will not be able to pause and come back because this is filled. This is how I filled up my hands. And I do not want to mess up the camera. So yeah. So as you can see, guys, it is starting to become non-sticky. And you could just want to keep adding the Tide until it stops sticking. I'm just gonna be adding some, okay, until it stops unsticking. You can add more glue if you want to. If you want more slime. But this is just enough for me, as I said before.
Where are they supposed to be? I can say the word you see. S-H-E-L-T. S-H-E-L-T. Say it. S-H-E.
Sorry about the background again. My grandma is helping my sister with her homework. So yeah. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna keep adding the Tide into the slime. I'm sorry this video might be a little bit long, but I was planning on it to be so quick because this is so easy and quick to make, and you won't have to worry. Sham. Okay. So here it is. I'm just gonna keep mixing and mixing. And here it is. It is not sticky anymore. I'm just gonna add like a little bit of, just a little bit more of the Tide, just to make sure now. And I'm just gonna keep mixing, cause I don't want to play with it and then it's all sticky and So I just dip my hand 2 times in it and in the Tide, and here we are. It is not sticky anymore. So I'm gonna pause this really quick and I'm gonna come back and I'm gonna show you the slime. But this is how it is. I'm gonna pause it real quick and make sure it's good before I clean up. So just keep kneading and kneading. So yeah. Okay. Sorry guys. Sorry. But oops. Okay. I'll come back. Okay, guys, so this is the slime.
Read this sentence right here.
I love it so much.
What is this right here?
Now it's a little bit sticky, but it don't stick onto my hands or you know, things like that. It's not gonna be. It's not super sticky. So I hope you guys love this video or liked it. Doesn't matter.
What's this word?
And
What's
what I was about to say. Oh man,
this word?
I forgot.
I'm finna go and get my sweet.
I forgot, you guys.
Word.
Oh yeah, if you play with it too much, it's gonna become hard. So do not
What does it say wrong?
play with it
Sound it out.
so much because it's gonna become very, very hard, and you won't be able to play with it no more. But you can still keep that slime. Let me show you how you can make you another slime, and you can just mix it with the old slime, and keep mixing, and then you have a one big old batch of slime. So I'm just going to
It said right there. What's that word?
find a container to put this in so it won't be hard.
What is this word?
Sorry about the background as well. But yeah, here,
What
oh
is this
God.
word?
But here is the finished
What is
product.
this word?
Boom, boom,
What's this
boom.
word? Okay, what's this word? Now read this sentence.
Okay. Okay, so I have my first one right here.
Heel,
This is my first one. It's a purple one.
back,
And well, not my first one, but like my second one. So these like, well, actually, this is my first and second ones because my sister messed up my other one, but it can still be called my second one because I
say
made
it again.
the other one. It's just cold. But thanks you guys for watching. I love this. Is a pretty color. It might be like a dark blue on camera, but this is actually so pretty in real life. So I love you guys. I love you guys so much. I hope you subscribe. I hope you share this video. I hope this video was helpful for you guys. So if you have some glue laying around and you have some Tide or Gain, make some slime. Cause I know you might want to make some slime and never made it before. So yeah, my social media. Follow me on Snap.
What's that word?
It is Queen_Janiyah10. It is spelled QVEEN_JANIYA10. And my main page on Musically is _HEYYITSNIYA, which is _.HeyIsNaya, and my sound page is 8.25.17 _ 8.25.17 _ So you can go follow me and on my Instagram, which is Janiyah Slays, JANIYASLAYZ. You're gonna put those two words together. So yeah. So I hope you guys really like this video. Okay, I'm so sorry that this video is so long. But I hope you like these slime videos. I think this is like my first video or so. But comment if you want more. And comment if you like slime. So I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.